Welcome to Denzel's world, or more appropriately, welcome to Denzel's kitchen. My name is Denzel, if you haven't figured that out already, and I have a YouTube channel called God-Given Talent. Now, if you know me, I love to eat food. Now today is my 100th video ever posted to YouTube, by me of course. And to celebrate, I am cooking myself a delicious cheeseburger. Now you're wondering, why are you cooking yourself when you can just go buy one? Well, YouTube's not paying enough money for me yet. So subscribe, watch the ads, and I'll be able to afford a real burger. I don't have to make it myself. Step 1 to cooking a delicious burger is making a delicious burger patty. I've already, because the camera's so far, I already put some mince in this bowl. The trick to a good burger patty is holding it together. So what holds it together? Well, an egg. One hand. A bit of flour. Yeah, gluten-free flour, because, well, I had no choice in picking gluten-free. Put a bit of this in. Not too much, just enough, just a little bit. Whoa, time to get your hands dirty. Yeah. For you ASMR freaks. Good tip, preheat your pan. Now, I like to season my patty. This is oregano. Just a bit of that, a bit too much. Bit of rosemary. And yeah, just keep mixing. The trick to a great burger patty is to not make it so big. So I'm just gonna grab a handful and then kind of mold it into like a giant meatball. Just kind of like, oh shoot. Before you put on your burgers, I personally like to dice up some onion and some garlic to put on the pan to caramelize, so that once we place our patties on them, the caramelization gets into that burger patty and just makes it mwah. I always like to leave a few slices of these, I'll explain later. Use some olive oil for the pan, just because olive oil is nicer, personally. Ooh, that was a bit too much. You want to do this-ish to get the oil around. And then a bit of caramelized. That sizzle's a good sound. And then you move your onion around. So once your onion's sizzling, get your burger patty and just, oh, expected a bit more of a sizzling noise. So once your burger patties are on there, don't drop it. You want to smash them down. Don't worry about how wide you smash them down, because they'll shrink when they cook. The thinner the better, because it crisps up a little bit more than a thicker patty. I forgot something. I forgot to season with salt my patties, which is very important. Don't follow this instructional video step by step, because I just made a mistake. Season before you put it on the pan. I'm going to correct my mistakes now. And be generous with the salt. Wait, yeah, it is recording. Now whilst that's cooking, I'm going to prepare some sweet potato chips. Now I don't de-skin my sweet potato, I simply wash it. Sweet potato chips go well with a burger, or just chips in general, but sweet potato particularly. While your burgers are cooking, I always like to add mushroom to my burgers. So cut your mushroom into fairly thin slices, like that thin, and then just dump them in the oil. Let them saute. Is that the word? Saute? Yeah, that's right. Cool. With your thin onion slices from before, chuck them on top of the burger patty. So once the burger's got kind of like a brownish edge, you want to prepare to flip them now. Ooh, look at that. Just give it another squash. Alright, now your burgers are ready for some cheese. So, what you want to do now is you want to slice up some cheese. I like mozzarella cheese because, well, technically I'm only allowed to eat mozzarella cheese. I have a very complicated diet. Probably not the best knife for cheese. So, before you put your cheese on, get your sauteed mushrooms and just plop them onto the top of the burger patty. Try and flatten it out as much as possible, and then put the cheese on top of the the burger. So the cheese melts on top of the caramelized onions and mushrooms, so that they don't go anywhere when you like bite into it. And then bread, and this one's gluten-free because, well, it wasn't a choice. I live like this. You want to open your bag. That's how you want to get your bread. And then, okay. Woolies stuffed me up. They give me 2 bags in a bag. Alright. And so, so you're probably wondering, what sauce are we putting on this burger? Well, that's a very good question, because I don't know. Let's check my fridge to see what we have. Dijon mustard mayonnaise. Now, I have roommates. I personally did not buy this. So, and they're not here to ask for their permission to use it, but I'm sure it goes well on this burger. In like a circular motion on both sides of the bun. Did you see what I did there? It's meant to be a smiley face. You get your knife and just spread it. Treat it like as if it's a butter. Alright, my little hack is you put the top bun on top of the burger, like so. Then you let the steam of the food or the pan get into the bun. And then, I don't know, I just watched it on YouTube. Just pop the bottom buns in the oil and let the oil soak up and just gotta try new things. And now that the bun's been toasted, with the sauce I might add, so it might add that bit of extra flavour, in the oil, plop it on top of the burger. Here's my little trick. Look at that. Alright, now that our burger is done, I could have placed it a bit better. This is what it should look like from the inside. Yeah, cool. Oi, look at the... Oh. Look at that. This is what my burgers look like. Hey, look at that. Yum. So I'm going to give you an honest review of my burger. So, in your mighty name I pray, Lord, bless this food to my body, amen. Before I give you my review on how great my burger tastes, allow me to interrupt this episode to give you a very important announcement. As I hinted at earlier, this is the season 1 finale of Welcome to Denzel's World. So my announcement for you today is, for the next 2 weeks I'm taking a break from posting any videos to YouTube and doing Make Mondays interesting podcasts to get ready for season number 2 of Welcome to Denzel's World. And hey, it's going to become bigger and better. So if you enjoyed this style of video of me cooking food and you want to see how I cook all my other foods, like this video, let me know in the comment section, as I will plan out the second half of this year / season 2. Back to the video. That genuinely is good. So there you have it. That is my version of a cheeseburger. Oh, and yeah, sweet potato. It's delicious. You can't go wrong because it's just really good. Thank you so much for watching my first attempt at a cooking show. If you like this video, like genuinely like it, let me know in the comment section, because who knows, I might do more cooking shows. I love to cook. It's my way of expressing my creativity, and well, yeah, if it means I get to eat more food, then heck yeah.